Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're taking you inside what might be the most mind-blowing $2.9 million luxury home I've ever stepped foot in. From jaw-dropping architecture and designer finishes to secret hideaways, this isn't just a house, it's a masterpiece. Buckle up, because this tour is next level. Let's go. Perched on a sprawling lot in one of the most exclusive neighborhoods in city or region, this modern estate is the very picture of refined elegance. With nearly square footage of living space, the home combines sleek contemporary design with warm natural materials. Think floor-to-ceiling glass, steel, and handcrafted wood. The landscaping alone makes a statement, with sculpted gardens, a koi pond, and a dramatic entrance that promises luxury from the moment you arrive. As you pass through the front door, you're greeted by a soaring two-story foyer that feels like stepping into an art gallery. The open floor plan flows seamlessly into the main living room, anchored by a monumental fireplace, custom stonework, and walls of glass that flood the space with natural light. This room isn't just about scale, though. The finishes are museum quality, with polished concrete floors, rich walnut trim, and oversized windows framing the surrounding landscape. Next, we enter the chef's kitchen, a showstopper in its own right. This is more than just a cooking space. Carrara marble countertops, a massive waterfall island, and top-of-the-line appliances. Wolf range, sub-zero fridge, built-in wine cooler. Each cabinet is custom milled with soft closed doors and integrated lighting that highlights premium hardware. Just off the kitchen is a dining area that feels like it belongs in a high-end restaurant. A design-forward chandelier, glass walls looking out on the garden, and enough seating to host the grandest dinner parties. Now let's head into the private wing. The master suite is what luxury dreams are made of. A generous footprint, floor-to-ceiling windows, and a custom-built walk-in closet that rivals any boutique. The ensuite bathroom is spa-inspired. Soaking tub, a rain shower with multiple heads, and dual vanities wrapped in marble. There are additional bedrooms, each with its own character. One guest room opens to a private balcony, another has built-in shelving that's perfect for a home office or library, all finished with the same level of premium detail. Now here's where things get really wild. This home doesn't just have standard luxury, it's got hidden surprises. There's a secret lounge behind a sliding bookshelf, complete with leather walls and ambient lighting, ideal for a speakeasy-style retreat. Down below, you'll find a fully built-out home theater with tiered seating, acoustic paneling, and a bar. But that's not all. There's also a temperature-controlled wine cellar, a private gym with mirrored walls, and even a wellness room with a sauna and steam shower. All of this tucked into the design with such thought that it feels like the home evolves with you. Stepping outside, the backyard is pure resort-level luxury. A dramatic infinity-edge pool spills into a spa surrounded by wide stone terraces and lounge areas. There's a fire pit lounge for cozy evenings, plus an outdoor kitchen and dining pavilion, perfect for alfresco entertaining. The landscaping is sculptural and mature, offering privacy while giving you panoramic views. And because the house sits on a hill, you can enjoy breathtaking sunsets, dramatic city lights, or even the mountain range beyond. A backdrop that elevates this outdoor space into something truly cinematic. This isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle. Imagine waking up in your sanctuary, walking across glass-floored corridors to the view, then sipping your morning coffee on a sunlit terrace. Hosting friends in a lounge that feels like an exclusive club. Having deep conversations over dinner in a dining room that feels as elegant as a five-star restaurant. On weekends, you unwind in your spa, movie theater, or pool. This home is built for living big, dreaming bigger, and creating moments that feel nothing short of extraordinary. So there you have it, one of the most insane $2.9 million luxury homes you'll ever lay your eyes on. If this tour left you speechless like it did me, imagine how it feels to walk through in person. If you want to see more homes like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What was your favorite part? And if you're seriously interested, reach out. A private showing could be closer than you think. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next tour.